Hi you guys, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about recreating this stunning look. It's called the spring makeup look. Is something that you can do during the summers. It's flirty, it's fun, it's minimal, it has pop of colors, and let's jazz it up.
So I'm going to start by using my eye cream. I think an eye cream is so important when you're doing your makeup वरना मेरा concealer properly set नहीं होता. Followed by an amazing moisturizer or any cream that really helps to make your base dewy and glowy. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's their magic cream. It's an amazing product. It has SPF inside of it, and that's something I really like about it. I always believe like skin prep is so important before you do your makeup. As you guys can see, I have redness on my face and ये मुझे पता नहीं कैसे हुआ है, but my skin does get sensitive. Also the weather is changing, so I'm going to use a green primer. This one is by Smashbox. So if any pores of mine are open, this really helps to sort of give it that blurry effect. And you guys, this is an amazing product. Like, it's so good. Also the color green neutralizes the color red, so your face will look one tone. Followed by this color corrector by K Beauty. Again ये green color है. Look at these spots. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but ये red है. तो जब आप red color के ऊपर एक green color corrector लगाते हो तो it neutralizes it, and then आपका skin का color it'll look one tone. So that is why I've gone ahead and used the green one. I use a damp beauty blender and I just blend it. K Beauty is such an amazing brand. It's so soft, it's so smooth. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start with my concealer. This one is from LA Pro. It's an amazing one. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. I love it. It's a drugstore product और ये इतना smooth है, ये इतना creamy है, and I just love it. I put it on the areas that need to be concealed, जहाँ पर dark circles होते हैं, and over the areas that I have color corrected. Then I'm going to use my teeny tiny beauty blender. It's so cute. और फिर मैं इसको dab कर लूँगी properly. All the beauty blenders need to be kind of damp so that it gives it a proper effect, and make sure that you blend. I mean, look at this concealer. It is so beautiful. Blending is the key when you do your makeup. It is so important. Then I'm going to use another concealer. This one is by Maybelline, and I'm going to brighten the areas that I need to. For example, under my eyes, near my nose, मैं ज़्यादा concealers use नहीं करती और ज़्यादा brighten नहीं करती, because हम एक summer look कर रहे हैं. We're doing something for the spring, so I don't want to be layered with a lot of makeup, since it's sweaty and it's hot and humid here in Mumbai, you guys. So I just am very careful with the products I apply, and मैं जो भी apply करती हूँ thin layers में करती हूँ. It's extremely important to set everything to blend, otherwise it's not going to look flawless. I mean, look at it. It looks stunning. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my foundations. These ones are from Maybelline. I like to sort of rub it against my wrist. It just gives it a personal touch, and then I'm going to apply it. Look at this. It looks like a skin tint, and obviously never miss your neck. Again, take in your beauty blender, your brush, your fingers, जिससे भी आप comfortable हो, and make sure that you just spread it evenly. और forehead में कभी भी directly foundation apply नहीं करना चाहिए, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. तो whatever is left on your beauty blender, just take it over your forehead, your neck. It's very important so that it looks one tone. I mean, you guys, just look at it. It looks impeccable. Like, it looks flawless, just like a concealer, proper skin prep, and your foundation, and we're good to go. Super important to keep yourself hydrated. I cannot do without this bottle of mine. Then I'm going to go in and use my bronzer. I'm going to go heavy on it because it's summer. I like to look sun-kissed. This one is from Benefit, and I'm just going to apply it to the high points, like जहाँ से ears शुरू होते हैं आपके. Don't get scared. ऐसे मत सोचो बहुत है. Like I always say, blending is key. Like, just apply to the high points, your jawline, and whatever is left, go over your forehead so that it adds like warmth and depth into your skin when you do your makeup. तो ऐसे एक tone नहीं लगता. It looks like you have color, and when you blend it properly, I mean, just look at it. It looks so stunning. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my blush stick. अगर आप एक beginner हो तब भी blush sticks are so amazing. Like, just look at it. This one is from Huda Beauty, and I like to apply it on the apple of my cheeks so that I looked sun-kissed. I looked like someone's like pinched. You're out, you're back home from like chilling, and you just look like you're kissed from the sun. I love that look. Then I'm going to set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury's powder. I'm not going to bake my face since गर्मी है. आपको ज़्यादा layering नहीं करनी है. Just be as light as possible, and this powder is the definition of lightness, like, of feeling like there's nothing, and it's absolutely amazing. For my eyebrows, I always first I start by brushing them so that agar koi bhi product unme reh gaya to wo hat jaye. Then I use my brow pencil. This one is from Benefit if I'm not wrong. Oh no, I'm going to use Lakme today. I'm so sorry you guys. And I'm just going to sort of fill in any gaps that there are. और हमेशा अपनी जो eyebrow का color होता है उससे एक या दो shade नीचे का color लो. You guys don't want to do black on black and look like too much. And just look at it. It looks so stunning. Already एक difference होता है when you do the minutest details, and makes a huge difference. Oh my god, just look at this color palette. It's like spring. It's like summer. So I'm going to do something really cute. I'm going to use the shade brown as my transition shade, and I'm going to just apply it all over my eye, not just my crease or lid but all over, because इससे क्या होता है ना, आपकी आंखें बड़ी लगती है, आपकी आंखें खुली हुई लगती है. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye as well. Then I'm going to take a darker shade and use it on the lower lash line. इससे क्या होता है ना, आपके आईज में कलर ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड देन आई यूज दिस ऑरेंज एज अ pop of color. Like, it was so cute, yeah. And then I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid so that it just looks stunning. I don't know, lately I've just been initially I would run away from colors, but just look at it. It looks so nice. It looks like England, the countryside. You're wearing a dress, there are flowers, and you're just looking like stunning, and the sun is hitting, and the colors are just bright. And that's what I'm doing with my eyes, followed by my Maybelline's mascara. You guys know how much I love this one if you all have watched my videos. I think mascara makes a huge difference, but I'm just going to apply one coat even on the lower lash line as well, so that it makes a huge difference. I mean, just look at it, like, just that pop of color with the blush, with that eyeshadows, and my eyes already look big. Agar kabhi bhi excess ho gaya, so you can use a spoolie, and always make sure that your mascara is right. For my lips, I want to go bright. I don't know, I just feel like, and lately I've been into sort of red, so I'm going to take my lip tint and very gently just smudge it with my fingers. I think this makes a huge difference. I mean, oh my god, you guys, just look at it, yeah. Sundar lag raha hai. I don't know. It's pretty. And then I'm going to add this red color lipstick from Maybelline. I think it's 25 Red Hot. And I'm going to use it as a lip tint. और मैं इसको smudge कर दूंगी अपनी fingers से. तो जो भी extra हो जाएगा, it's just going to come on my fingers. I mean, you guys, isn't this looking so stunning? I love it.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. I love you guys, and see you all super soon.